Hello everyone, today we are doing mathematics sample paper. Section D, first question. A spherical ball of lead 3 centimeters in diameter is melted and recast into 3 spherical balls. If the diameter of small balls are 3 by 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters and p centimeters, find volume of ball before melting, volume of each spherical ball after melting and value of p. Okay, it is given that a spherical ball of 3 cm of diameter 3 centimeters. So this is a spherical ball. It is melted into three small spherical balls. 1, 2 and 3. So volume of ball before melting will be this volume, and volume of each spherical ball after melting in the sense this and this. So now they are asking volume of ball before melting. In a sense, they are asking volume of this ball. So now it is given that diameter of this ball is 3 centimeters. So radius will be diameter by 2, which is 3 by 2 centimeters. Now volume of spherical ball, in the sense volume of sphere is 3 by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi into r cube is 3 by 2 whole cube. So 4 by 3 into pi into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2 ones are, and this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So 3 into pi into, so 3 into pi into 3 by 2. So you'll get 9 pi by 2 centimeter cube. Second bit, we need to find the volume of spherical spheres after melting. So diameter of spherical spheres are given as 3 by 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters and p centimeters. So radius will be diameter by 2. So 3 by 4 centimeters, 2 by 2 1 centimeter and p by 2 centimeter. Now volume of spherical ball having radius 3 by 4. So spherical ball. So volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi, r is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 whole cube. So 4 by 3 into pi into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Now 4 will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled. So you will be left with 9 by 16 pi centimeter cube. Now volume of spherical ball having radius 1 will be 4 by 3 into pi into 1 cube, which is 4 by 3 pi centimeter cube. Now volume of spherical ball having radius p by 2 centimeter will be 4 by 3 into pi into p by 2 whole cube. So 4 by 3 into pi into p by 2 into p by 2 into p by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, then 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you will get volume as p cube by 6 pi centimeter cube. Third bit, we should find value of p. Now for that, first of all, what is p? P is diameter of small spherical sphere after melting the bigger sphere into three small spheres. So now this is the bigger sphere. It is melted into three small spheres. So now volume of this sphere will be equal to volume of this spheres. Volume of the bigger sphere will be equal to volume of three small spheres. Now volume of big sphere we found out in the first bit, which is 9 pi by 2, and volume of these small spheres we found out in second bit. So 9 pi by 2 is equals to 9 by 16 pi plus 4 by 3 pi plus p cube by 6 pi. Now 9 pi by 2 is equals to pi, you are taking common. So 9 by 16 plus 4 by 3 plus p cube by 6. Pi will get cancelled. So you will be left with 9 by 2 is equals to 9 by 16 plus 4 by 3 plus p cube by 6. Get all constant at one side. So 9 by 2 minus 9 by 16 minus 4 by 3 is equals to p cube by 6. Now take LCM, you will get 48. Now 48 goes into 24 times. So 9 into 24, 216. 16 goes 3 times. So 9 threes are 27. And 3 goes 16 times. So 4 into 16 you will get 64. Now p cube by 6 is equals to 216 minus 27 minus 64 is 125. So 125 by 48. Now send 6 that side. So you will have p cube is equals to 125 by 8. Now cubed root of 125 is 5 and cubed root of 8 is 2. In the sense 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So P is equals to 5 by 2, which is 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Second question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equals to 4.5 centimeters, angle B is equals to 45 degrees and AB minus AC is equals to 2.5 centimeters and justify your construction. Okay. Now let us construct a triangle ABC. Now first mark BC is equals to 4.5 centimeters. Then construct 45 degrees angle. How will you construct 45 degrees angle at angle B? So now create 90 degrees, bisect 90 degrees line and BC. This is 90 degrees line. Now bisect this line and this line. You'll get 45 degrees. Okay. So BX will be 45 degrees ray. BX will be 45 degrees ray. Now on compass, take 2.5 centimeter, put pointer at B and mark an arc at BX. Name it as D. Join DC. Now construct a perpendicular bisector at DC. Name it as PQ. Extend PQ to BX such that it meets BX at A. Join AC. Now ABC is the required triangle. Now for justification, you know that A lies on perpendicular bisector DC, which means that AD will be equal to AC. Now BD is AB minus AD is equals to BD. Now replace AD with AC. So you'll get AB minus AC is equals to BD. See, AB minus AD is BD. Now replace AD with AC. So AB minus AC is BD. Now BD is 2.5 centimeters. So AB minus AC will be 2.5 centimeters. Steps of construction. Step 1. Draw the line segment BC is equal to 4.5 centimeters and at point B mark an angle of 45, say angle XBC. Now cut the line segment BD is equals to 2.5 centimeters on ray BX. Join DC and draw perpendicular bisector PQ of DC. Let it intersect BX at point A. Join AC. Triangle ABC is required triangle. We have done this. Now justification. A lies on perpendicular bisector CD. Therefore AD is equals to AC. Now BD is 2.5 centimeter. AB minus AD is equals to BD. AB minus AD will be 2.5 centimeters. Replace AD with AC. So you'll get AB minus AC is equals to 2.5 centimeters. Third question. A conical tent is made of 4.5 meter wide tarpaulin. Vertical height of the conical tent is 4 meter and base radius is 3 meters. Find the length of tarpaulin used, assuming that 10% extra material is required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting. Take pi is equals to 3.14. Okay, a conical tent is made of 4.5 meter wide tarpaulin. Tarpaulin is rectangle, so its breadth is given as 4.5 meters. Vertical height of cone is 4 meter. Base radius is 3 meters. Now total area of tarpaulin will be CSA of the cone plus 10% into CSA of cone because 10% extra material is required. Now CSA of cone is pi RL. We don't have slant height. So how will you find slant height? Slant height by Pythagoras theorem. L square is equals to R square plus H square. R square is 3 square, H square is 4 square. So L square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. L square is equals to 9 plus 16 25 is equals to L square is equals to 25. So L is equals to 5 meters. Now curved surface area is equals to pi r 3.14 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 47.1 meters square. Now 10% extra material is required. So 10 by 100 into 47.1. 10% is 10 by 100, which is 0.1 into 47.1, which is 4.71 meters square. Total area will be 47.1 meters square plus 4.71 meters square, which is equals to 51.81 meters square. Now total area of tarpaulin will be length into breadth because it is a rectangle. So length into breadth is equals to 51.81. Length is equals to 51.81 by breadth is 4.5. So 4.5 is equals to 11.51 meters. Length is equals to 11.51 meters. Fourth question. A circular park of radius 20 meters is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, were sitting at equal distances on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in their hand to talk to each other. Find the length of string of each phone. Okay, it is given a circular park of radius 20 meters. So, okay, OS is the radius which is 20. Now, three boys, Ankur, Syed and David are sitting at equal distances, which means that Ankur is A, Syed is S and David is D. So, they are at equal distances. So, AS will be equal to SD, will be equal to AD. Let sides be X, X, X. It is an equilateral triangle. So, AS is X, SD is X and AD is X. Now, draw AB perpendicular to SD. So you'll get SB is equals to BD is equals to X by 2, which is nothing but SB is equals to half of SD. Okay, let me just show you like this. So here you can see SB is X by 2. X is nothing but SD. So SB is equals to X by 2 is equals to SD by 2. Same, now SB will be equal to BD because we are drawing AB perpendicular to SD. So SB will be equal to BD. In triangle ABS, angle B is 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras theorem, AS square is equals to AB square plus BS square. Now AB square is equals to AS square minus BS square. AS is X. So X square minus BS is X by 2. X by 2 whole square is equals to AB square. Now x square minus x by 2 whole square. So x square minus x by 2 whole square will be x square by 4. So AB square is equals to x square minus x square by 4. Now take LCM. You will get 4x square minus x square by 4. Now 4x square minus x square is 3x square. So AB square is equals to 3x square by 4. AB will be under root 3. Under root x square is x and under root 4 is 2. So AB is equals to under root 3x by 2 meters. AB is equals to under root 3x by 2 meters. Now AB is equals to AO plus OB. OB will be equal to AB minus OA. So OB is equals to AB minus OA. AB is equals to, we just now found out, under root 3x by 2 and OA will be radius which is 20. So OB is equals to under root 3x by 2 minus 20 meters. Now in triangle OBS, B is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras theorem, OS square is equals to OB square plus BS square. Now OS is also radius. So OS will be 20. So 20 square is equals to OB square is under root 3x by 2 minus 20 whole square plus SB is x by 2. So x by 2 whole square. So 20 square is 400 minus under root 3x by 2 minus 20 whole square. This is of form a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square, which is under root 3x by 2 whole square, you'll get 3x square by 4 plus b square is 20 whole square, which will be 400 minus 2ab minus 2a is under root 3x by 2 and b is 20 plus x by 2 whole square is x square by 4. So now this 400 and this 400 will get cancelled and then 3x square plus x square by 4. Okay. So 3x square by 4 plus x square by 4. You'll get 4x square by 4. 4 will get cancelled. You'll get x square. So 3x square by 4 plus x square by 4 is x square. Now this thing minus 2 into 20 into under root 3x by 2. So 2 into 20 into root 3 x by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So you'll get 20 into root 3. 20 root 3. So x square minus 20 root 3 x. Now take x common. You'll get x minus 20 root 3. When you send x that side, it will get 0. So x minus 20 root 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to 20 root 3. So length of the string will be 20 root 3. Okay, I have corrected it. X is 20 root 3 and length of the string is x. So it is 20 root 3 meters. Okay, fifth question. The parallel sides of a trapezium are 77 meters and 60 meters and its non-parallel sides are 26 meters and 25 meters. Find the area of trapezium. Okay, parallel sides will be AB and DF. So AB will be 60 and whole DF will be 77, and its non-parallel sides are 26 meters and 25 meters. So AD will be 25 and BF will be 26. Now draw BC. Draw BC such that it is parallel to AD, and even draw perpendicular BE. Okay, now BCF will be a triangle. First of all, what is CF? CF will be DF minus DC. DF is 77 and DC will be 60. So 77 minus 60. So CF is 17 meters. And what is BC? BC will be 25 because AD is parallel to BC. So this will be 25. Now we need to find area of triangle BCF. Area of triangle, how will you find? By using Heron's formula. Under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is semi-perimeter. First, what is perimeter? Sum of all sides, which is BC plus CF plus BF. Now BC is 25. CF is 17 and BF is 26. So 25 plus 26 plus 17 will get 68 meters. Now semi-perimeter will be perimeter by 2, which is S. S is equals to perimeter by 2. 68 by 2, which is 34 meters. Now we'll find area. Area will be under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is 34. 34 minus BC is 25. BF is 26 and CF is 17. So 34 minus 26, 34 minus 17. 34 minus 25 is 9. 34 minus 26 is 8. 34 minus 17 is 17. So when you multiply whole thing, you will get 4161. 41616, which is equals to 204 meters square. Now you know that area of triangle is half into base into height, which is half into CF into BE. BE is height, so we need to find height BE. BE is equals to 2 into area by CF. 2 into area is 204 by CF is 17. So 408 by 17, which is 24 meters. Now area of trapezium will be half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into sum of parallel sides will be 60 and 77. Yeah, and height we just now found out to be 24. Okay, now when you solve this, you'll get 60 plus 77 is 137 into 24. BE is 24 by 2. So when you multiply 137 and 24, you'll get 3288 by 2, which is 1644 meters square. Area of trapezium is 1644 meters square.